What we bring to you guys this time is an extremely amazing bike. The camouflage color makes it look like a strong soldier. 26-inch fat tire leads its splendor to a higher degree. The mid-drive Bafang motor is rated as 1000 watts, which is totally powerful enough to handle all terrains. With such big power, this bike is equipped with suspensions accordingly. Both under the seat and on the front fork, they can release almost all of your bumpy feelings, so that you are able to have a comfortable and joyful riding. Derailleur is one of the parts that most people care about. It has 7 speeds. It allows riders to adjust according to the riding conditions and their willings. Adjustable derailleur is really necessary for an electric bicycle. The battery capacity is 48 volts 20 Ah, which contributes more than 70 kilometers driving range. There are 2 methods to control the headlight, button control and light sense. When you are in the dark, the headlight would be turned on automatically. The rear lights has 2 modes: lightning and sparkling. The oil disc brake is very sensitive. The quick stop is not a dream. Sensitive brake offers you security when you meet emergencies. That's all today. If there are anything else you want to know, contact us.